Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So this video is just to inform you guys that I'm having a sale on my website on my twisted wigs. So there's a poll that I shared with you and asked you what you wanted me to put on sale, and most of you voted for shapewear, and then no frontal, no closure wigs, and then twisted wigs. So the twisted wigs are going to be on sale from 20th to 27th, and the ones that are going to be on sale are the ones that don't have a closure. So there's a video that I showed you the difference between the wigs that have closures and the one that don't have closure. So like this one doesn't have a closure right there. So what I mean is that I didn't use human hair on the parting, that's why I call it like no closure wig. So these are the ones that are going to be on sale. Like this one right here, it doesn't have a closure, but actually there's no difference. Personally, I always feel like there's no difference between the one that has a closure and the one that doesn't have a closure. I always feel like the parting, they almost look the same. So another thing, the twists that are going to be on sale are the ones that are short and back length. I'm not going to do the sale on the extra long. The short ones are slightly below your shoulders, and then the longer one are on your back, and this is extra long. So this extra long is not going to be on sale. So the twisted wig, the short twisted wigs are going to go for $29, and the longer ones are going to go for $35. So you can buy the longer one if you want at $35, or the shorter one at $29. So this price applies for both wholesale and retail. So another thing that I really wanted to touch on is about shipping. So if you're my client already, you know how it goes, but then if you haven't ordered from me before, this is how it goes. You can shop like 1 to 5 wigs, and the shipping fee is still going to be the same. Let me say if maybe you're from UK, US, and you can shop as many as 5 wigs, and shipping fee will still be $29. So the wig is $29, right? One wig is $29, and then shipping the same wig is $29 to countries like UK, US, Canada, Nigeria. So the shipping fee is $29, but then that is one wig. If you shop 5 wigs, shipping fee is still $29 because of the weight. And then if you ship now more than 6, also again depending on the weight or the type of hair, there's some wigs that I can put like 5 to 8 pieces in one bag, and shipping will still be $29. So you can shop as many colors as you want. You can shop like 5 of them, different colors. Like this one right here is color 2350, and this is 230, and this is color number 1, 230. This is 33. Yeah, so you can shop these 5 different colors, and shipping fee will still be the same for the 5 twisted wigs. So it will be like 29 times 5 for the 5 twisted wigs, and 29 for shipping. Understood? Okay, so you can go ahead and shop them from my website, or you can contact me on WhatsApp, my email, or on my Instagram, and I'll send them to you. And again guys, I just want to appreciate you for your support. Thank you for buying my wigs. I really appreciate. Also, I'll be having a giveaway. I just don't know when. I was thinking of doing it on Mashujaa Day. Mashujaa Day is today, 20th of October. Here in my country, it's like Mashujaa Day is like Heroes Day. So I wanted to do the giveaway today, but I decided to first of all start with the sale, because again also Christmas is coming, festive season is coming, and I'll be doing more giveaways just to appreciate you guys for your support. The good thing with my twisted wig is that you can just wear them without combs. Like this one right here, it doesn't have a comb, but it's just secure on my head. It's not going anywhere. So when you receive your wig and then you feel like it is kind of curly, it's not straight, just use your brush and make it straight. Again, I told you in my previous twist wig video, just brush it like that and it's going to be straight. Spray it, start by spraying it, and then oops, go ahead and brush it like that. No frontal, no closure, and then just go ahead and apply a concealer on the parting to make it blend well with your complexion. This is 133 and this is 133 as well, and this is short and this is back length. So as you can see the difference. This is the length for the short one. That.
Hand on the wheel, got my pistons pumping, all 800 horses running. Oh baby, 125 in the middle of the night, got my engine thundering. Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. Let's blow this town, break the speed of sound. Tonight we on the road. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat.
Again, I'll just apply concealer on the parting to make it blend well with your complexion. I'm not going to apply on these ones, the ones that I'm going to try on today. So just brush.